unplug my computer so that way I can work on schoolwork for a little bit. We are at the beach. We made it. I have waterproof mascara. We're at this like cute little restaurant thing. And they're like hammocks. I'm obsessed. Plus, look at the view. Absolutely gorgeous. I went to the beach, and it's salty. It's the Pacific, apparently. The sunscreen lasted. Sunscreen definitely lasted. But my mascara, my waterproof mascara, did not. I'm just editing vlogs right now. And it smells salty, which is super nice. And it's super windy. That's the other problem. I'm worried about the like mic quality, but it should be fine. I really like the color of my bathing suit, but this part is super irritating and itchy once it gets wet. Ugh. My lips are all bad now. Lawson. Never mind. What did you say this was? Yeah. Like you take a bite and a bite of What interesting with that? You look like you want to throw it up. Taking a walk down to the beach part of the beach. It obviously had to be very windy when I started recording. Because why not? It's really sunny. I think I got sunburnt here and then on my shoulders. The sand is burning hot. Like it's a brown color. So I don't know, that's weird to me. But it's burning hot. It's like mostly rocks, I feel like. There's some trash, but like obviously. I don't know, I feel like there's trash at all beaches. How's your tanning? You're tanning on a tablecloth. I don't know if you know that. She's tanning, but there's those cute little swings that I want to take pictures by. This isn't really a touristy beach, at least as far as I can tell. Me and Isabel are the only people in bathing suits, which like, no one told me you don't wear bathing suits to a beach. Like, I don't know. So the sand has like this cool pattern on it. I don't know if it's just me that I don't go to the beach that much. And then when I like put my hand, hold on, you can't see it here, hold on, I'm gonna show you. But it like moves when I put my hand on it. I don't know, it's weird. Look, like you can't see it. Oh wait, can you? It's like oblique. And then there's sea foam, which I also haven't seen. These little like snails things. Ooh, I hate that. That's why I'm wearing shoes. I don't know if you guys like them, but you get to see them anyway. If not, fast forward. Like, look, that's what those are. There's this one guy with like the cutest dog. I don't know, it looks kind of like a husky, but it's white. I didn't think huskies could like come all the way out here and survive because it's, you know, warm. vlog for joining me today at the beach. I'm super exhausted. I'm always super exhausted by the time I get to the hotel. I'm just gonna take a shower and go to bed, brush my teeth, obviously. I have to edit this, but I've been having problems with my computer over here and also with the site I use for music. Sometimes they don't take traffic from certain countries. This might be one of them. So everything's gonna be super late, which I hope you guys don't mind, but thanks for watching.